Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all, I've not done a video like this that I can recall at least. I was going back to my videos over the last 2 years and I couldn't find anything like this. So this is a first. I'm going to rank all of the Gingham and Gingham flankers that have been come out from Bath & Body Works, and we're going to rank them from my least favorite to my top favorite. Now, I will say I am missing one from this. However, I do remember what she smells like, and she's got a decent rank in here, all right? All right. Of course, today's lip is by me. I am wearing Princess. Yep, Princess. She is the perfect shade of like bubblegum pink, neutral pink, lots of shine, and she smells like bubblegum. Y'all, get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Y'all, I just have to say thank you to so many of you who took advantage of that free shipping over the weekend. That was crazy. I was like, damn, some of y'all were really waiting for a sale. I might have to do sales more often. Yeah, make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Get you some Princess treatment, baby. Yes. And let's hop into this video. Okay, now, I do have the OGs and the re-releases in this ranking as well. And bottom on the list, y'all, bottom on the list is the newest version of Gingham Fresh. She has scent notes of pear, daisy, and clementine. And if you saw my review video up that went up yesterday on Sunday, I had a lot of thoughts. Definitely get over and check out that video if you haven't already. But the newest version of Gingham Fresh, yes, you do get pear, yes, you get daisy. I don't get any clementine. My biggust complaint about this scent is that the initial spray, whether it's in the cap or on your skin, comes off super alcohol-y, almost like chemical. Yeah. Like that first spray, it almost smells like nail polish remover to me. Yes, it does die down and goes to the original Gingham Fresh scent. However, the longevity is really lacking for me. And it's just not, it's just the last on the list, y'all. Somebody's got to be last. Somebody's got to be last. Next up is Gingham Love. Yep. Gingham Love, she came out 2021. She was released, I want to say it was spring of 21. It is sugared red berries, blushing freesia, and rose meringue. I do like this scent, but again, I have to rank them from my least favorite to my like most favorite. So I do like this scent. Let me just preface that by saying that. You get the berries, you get some freesia, you do get a little bit of rose and like vanilla-y, meringue type of notes way in the background. I wish those notes were stronger. Had those notes been stronger in here, I probably would have loved this a lot more. But she is a really pretty scent. I do wear her in the spring and I'm glad I have her in my collection. Oh yes, oh yes. Next up in the ranking is none other than the original Gingham. Yep, Gingham. She has scent notes of clementine, freesia, and violet. I do like this scent. I think I tend to like this scent more though in like home care, like wallflowers, room sprays. I do like the body spray, but it's very rare that I reach for her. She is a beautiful classic scent, though. You definitely get more clementine in the original. You get freesia, you get violet. It's a pretty scent. I do like this scent, but again, she's on the lighter side. She's not a beast, and we all know I like some beast mode scents, baby. Yeah, it is a pretty scent. It's just not my favorite. Next up, I'll put a little picture of it in here, is Gingham Vibrant. Now, I know this scent is a massive favorite of a lot of people. And a lot of people were super salty that they brought back Gingham Fresh instead of Gingham Vibrant. Gingham Vibrant had scent notes of blackberry, vanilla, violet, and sweet notes. This was a very blackberry, well, it was the predominant note was blackberry, for sure, for sure. You definitely got some violet in there. I wish the sweet notes and the vanilla that are way in the back were more in the forefront, but they weren't. This is predominantly a blackberry scent. It is a pretty scent. The longevity was kind of a miss for me. I think that was my biggest complaint on that scent, but she overall is a pretty. All I had left in her was, it was like a mini, and I ran out of her last year, so it is what it is. I don't have her, and I sure as hell ain't paying Mercari prices for a lot of stuff, so yeah. Next up is actually the OG version of Gingham Fresh. I love this scent. It is beautiful. You definitely get the pear in here a lot heavier. You don't get that chemically smell initially, and she lasted a lot longer than this newer one. So Gingham Fresh in the OG packaging will take that next spot. In the next spot, we are down to 4th place. We're in 4th place. 4th place will be the newest version of Gingham Gorgeous. Gingham Gorgeous has scent notes of pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. I just did a review of this past weekend. I do like this scent, but I do feel this differs from the original Gingham Gorgeous because the peach note in here is a lot heavier than it was in that OG version. And I love a good peach fragrance if it's done right. In my opinion, Bath & Body Works struggles in the peach department. I loved Bridgerton. They did that one very well. But this one, yeah, she's in 4th spot. She's in 4th spot. Now, next up is the newest Gingham flanker, and it's Gingham Glow. Yep. Y'all, she's taking 3rd spot for a reason. For a reason. Scent notes on her are golden nectar, marigold petals, and sun-soaked sandalwood. Now, when I first smelled this, y'all, it was like 100 degrees here in Northeast Ohio that weekend that this launched here, or I got my hands on it initially. And the weather has cooled down significantly. Like yesterday here in Cleveland, I think it was like 73. Mother Nature being like a bipolar X lately, I swear to God. Yes, but I love this scent, and especially in the last 2 days, I've really been digging her. Yes, you definitely get a lot of marigold in here. It's a spicy type of a flower. You get a little bit of sweet notes, but you also get a lot of sandalwood. And if you've been watching me for any length of time, I am a sandalwood lover. I love me some sandalwood. It's sexy, seductive. I love sandalwood. This one, I have a feeling I'm going to really adore come the fall. Oh, yes. Yeah, she's fire, yo. Don't sleep on this. I think a lot of you who smelled her initially, especially if you live or the weather is really hot where you're at, wait until fall, smell her again. Yes, 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 yes. I do like this one a lot. Number 2. Number 2 is the OG Triple G. Gingham Gorgeous. Yep, the OG version. Scent notes again are pink, strawberry, peach nectar, and peony blooms. The OG version. I just feel like the strawberry note in here, it's a powdery type of a strawberry note, almost like powdery strawberry candy, kind of like crushed up Pez in a way. That is the heaviest note in here, and I love it. I still have the moisturizing shower wash in this. I have the body butter in this. I think I have a body cream in it as well. The OG of Gingham Gorgeous, fire, sis, fire. Yes, 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 yes. And my number 1 spot. Number 1, we saw her one time and one time only, and I'm very sad, especially for any of y'all that didn't get your hands on it. It is Gingham Heart of Gold. Yep, Gingham Heart of Gold. She came out 2021. Ironically, the same year as Gingham Love. I think this was released in the fall of 21, I think. Scent notes, these are the scent notes. Crisp golden apple, creamy vanilla bean, and warm sandalwood. 3 scent notes that I absolutely adore. Yes. It literally, to me, smells like apple pie mixed with ice cream and some sandalwood like burning in the background. I freaking love this scent. I shouldn't say apple pie, but a very sweet apple. That is more of a gourmand apple. Maybe not pie, because there's no pie notes, but I definitely get like a gourmand apple with that beautiful vanilla bean and then sandalwood in the back. It is freaking gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Gingham Heart of Gold definitely takes the #1 spot for me. All I have left, I think, of this is the spray. I don't think I have the lotion. I don't think I have anything left, just the spray. And I'm so glad I have it. I want to say she's about right there. So I'll have her for a couple more years because I don't use an entire bottle in 1 year unless I go ham on something sometimes. And sometimes I do that. But yeah, what did you think of my ranking of the Gingham family tree? Let me know in the comments down below. Is there one that I like put down lower in the chain and you're like, oh my God, hell no, girl, that one should be #1. Definitely let me know. I love hearing from you guys. Make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some Princess. Gorgeous pink, smells like bubblegum, y'all. And we're at my favorite part, y'all. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And we'll see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.